Hello guys, how are you? Today's our topic is that image reference. We will see that how we can use images and we can edit our pics in MidJourney. So without wasting time, let's start today's topic. So first of all, we will have to click on this plus button. When you will click on it, this small pop-up will come. So you have to click on upload a file and then choose the pic that you want to edit, or you can use reference image. We will click this pic and then click open. When you will see that, you all have to click on hit enter. Now when you will hit enter, this pic will be uploaded. Now next step is that we will just click on it. When we will click on it, then right click and then copy image address or copy link. We have to click on it and your link has been copied. After that, we have to click here, type slash, click on imagine prompt. Here you have to paste your link. So with the help of Control V, we will paste our link here, comma, space. Now here we will write our prompt. So here is our prompt and you can read cyberpunk biomechanical woman with large eagle wings on her back and riding cinematic, intricate details, dark atmosphere, dramatic Rembrandt light. So let's see that after clicking what we will get result. So we have got this type of result. We will open it in new browser so we can see the full quality. So this pic 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 pics that MidJourney has given us. Whichever you want, you have to click V1. So you will get 4 variation of it, V2, V3, V4. If you want upscale this pic, you all have to click on U1. So we will go here. There is U1, U2, U3, U4 and V1 to V4. So let's see that if we will click on V1, we want this pic 4 variations. So when we will click V1, MidJourney will give this result. Let me open this in new tab so we can see the full quality of it. So here is 4 variations. So what all you have to do is that if you want 1, 2, 3, 4, now this time you don't have to click on V1, you have to click U1, U2, U3 and U4 because you want this upscale, not 4 more variations. So if you will click on U1, so you will get this result. This is our final result. Let me open it. Open this in new browser. So you can see here, this is our final result. I hope this video will help you to edit your pics in MidJourney. If you have any type of queries, you can comment and I will reply you.